If anyone's there in the green room, please come out. Be seated, everyone. We have with us Mrs. Megha Sampath, working as a choreographer in Marathi Hindi film industry for more than 10 years. She is a commerce graduate from Mumbai University and is filmmaking certificate holder from London Film Academy. She is trained in Bharatanatyam and Kathak. Bollywood dancing being her forte, she has ample of experience for stage events, award functions, corporate, wedding performances and music videos. Adding to the profile, choreography for the first Marathi Filmfare Awards, Radio Mirchi Music Awards 2015, Maharashtra Time Awards 2016, Asianet Television Awards 2016, Ajay Atul concerts can be considered as few of the considerable and commendable achievements of her. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. Another jury member is Mrs. Dhanashri Jatin Sankhe. Dhanashri Sankhe is armed with professional and practical experience. She conceived Allure Salon Spa. Dhanashri's passion for her profession makes her constantly work on different advanced degrees with upcoming trends. She is newspaper columnist for beauty blogs and organizes beauty seminars and workshops with upcoming changing trends. She is associated with fashion industry and organize fashion shows as well. Welcome her with a big round of applause, guys. Another jury with us is Mr. Jatin Sankhe. He is a very well-known businessman from Palghar. He is very successful in his business sector and he has also contributed a lot to make this show possible. Welcome him with a big round of applause. First of all, good afternoon to everyone. Hi. I welcome every one of you here for the grand audition of Allure Fashion Show Season 2. Guys, this is the first time the Palghar is going to witness something which is very unique. Let me start with my introduction, like myself, Priya Fidai, and I am here as a representative of Allure Salon Spa. I will be hosting this audition with you all. Firstly, let me tell you how Allure came into being. Allure firm started its journey in Palghar district on 24th of October 2012. And since then, it is the most successfully running professional salon spa in Palghar, with all professional experts and dignitary clients. The first fashion show of Allure Salon Spa were organized in May 2015, which too was of a great success. Not only because it was the first time that Palghar witnessed the presence of top actor and model Mugdha Godse, but also because we have been successful in hunting many good talents which are doing great in their life right now. Allure Fashion Show basically aims at creating a platform for young Indian talents in the domain of fashion and beauty. The upcoming fashion show will where all the celebrities, actors, media, models, industry professionals, professional fashion designers present to bless these pages by encouraging all the young talents. We are very glad to inform you that we are tied up with lots of fashion and lifestyle fragrances, which will provide contract to our models for professional photo shoots and for showcasing professional designer work. With this, I give the mic to Mrs. Dhanashri Sankhe to say a few words. beautiful contestants. I'm very glad to see you all here with some energetic faces, as well as we are hiding a good passion into yourselves and coming all around to Palghar. First of all, a big round of applause for all of you. Come on. So, are you ready to glam it up? Please, with all the energy, guys, you have to walk down the ramp now. Say yes or no? Yes. Okay. I would like to share some few words as well. I think beauty pageant is not about only being attractive from outside, but feeling confident and good and smart from inside counts a lot. So make sure you build within that thing. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Good luck and best wishes to all the contestants. Keep your head high up, not only on the ramp, but throughout of your life. Okay? Best wishes from a new team. And a huge thank to Megha ma'am for giving precious time for us. Now I'm handing this mic to Megha.
Hi girls, are you all excited? I am very excited. Not because this is my second year with Alnoor and I'm here for the second time grooming. I'm going to be grooming all you girls. But I have to mention this, like not only the winners of season 1, but the entire contestants who are like, who are doing really good in their career or either in the modeling or photo shoots, and few of them are really working with me as well. So I am really keeping hope to get better contestants this year. Yeah, all the best.
Towards judges, go back, come back again. Jury members, then again going back and coming back here. Give your introduction and some questions will be asked. Clear with you guys?
Sucheta Hombi. I am a dancer and I want to create a something for women which is unhelpful for nothing to do everything.
You can speak little louder. I'm okay.
Yeah, sure.
Just speak. Just start. Just start again.
Myself Sucheta Hombi. I am a dancer and I am now studying in the BA first year and I want to do from women who are unhelpful for everything to do, but
That's okay. Chill. Chill.
and to help that women who cannot do everything, we have nothing to do everything.
You want to change your preference language preference? You want to speak in Hindi or any other language? Yeah. Whatever language you are comfortable with, you can speak in that. That's fine. Tell me.
मैंने हेल्प करना है जो मेरी हेल्पलेस है, कुछ नहीं कर सकती, वो लोग को मुझे मदद देना, लड़की सब कुछ कर सकती है, एनीथिंग, आवर का पॉइंट, एनीथिंग।
आप कैसे हेल्प करना चाहेंगे?
अगर मैं कुछ बन गई तो मैंने कि थॉट्स देता, बट आई पर्सनली डोंट थिंक कि आपको कुछ बनने के बाद ही किसी के लिए कुछ कर सकते।
हाँ,
तो इट्स लाइक छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है।
हाँ,
आप घर से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो आप घर से ही पहले स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। पहले पेरेंट्स अपने मम्मी के लिए या अपनी बहनों के लिए आप वहाँ से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। तो उसके बनने के लिए आप अभी आज जो आए हो, आप आज खुद के लिए आए हो। तो मुझे आपके बारे में ज़्यादा जानना है रादर देन वुमेन प्रॉब्लम्स। तो मुझे आपके एम्बिशंस बताइए, मुझे आपको क्या करना है आगे लाइफ में वो बताइए, वो ज़्यादा जानने में मुझे इंटरेस्ट होगा।
मुझे डांसिंग बहुत पसंद है।
Very good.
मैं हर साइड करती हूँ।
Okay.
फॉरेन का मैं मेक कंपनी में डांस कर चुकी हूँ, उधर करके दो कोर्स कर चुकी हूँ। डांस इंस्टीट्यूशन मुंबई में है, उधर भी मैं डांस कर चुकी हूँ।
आपने सीखा है डांस? व्हाट स्टाइल?
सेमी क्लासिकल, हिप हॉप एंड साल्सा।
गुड।